did. The first day, I cut a piece off and I gave it to him.
Nah. Chocolate? He's like, that's chocolate. Yeah. Have some. Look. Yeah. Yay, yum yum.
What did you do with the batter thing? You got rid of it, didn't you?
I'm recording. There was
Yum.
No, look, eat. Get yours.
You'll get to it. You need to get down, JC, because you're in my way.
Titus, whose cake are you eating? I cut you a slice. I cut you a slice. Just take the two. Is it your uncle's cake? Yeah?
What are you girls doing over here, big fatty?
Get it.
You're a big fatty.
Grab it. It's okay. Here.
Everything in this house is fat. Fat and greasy.
Grab it. Oh my god. You should see him. Martin, hurry up. No, hurry up.
Mommy, put it in your hands.
No, I didn't. He straight up went. He's eating the polka dots off of it. Please don't throw it on the floor. Is it good? So good. So good. There's a party in your tummy.